this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pay for TikTok ads in Nigeria, or how to add a payment method into your TikTok ads account so as to run ads successfully in any country you are. Now, if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. My name is Ayotolani. Let's get straight into this without further ado. No time to waste. Thank you.
So how can you be able to pay for TikTok ads in Nigeria? If you're new to this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification icon. Now, you should understand that paying for TikTok ads in Nigeria is a little bit delicate, and any mistake will just get your account banned, because you know TikTok ads is not actually brought to Nigeria, like that. Do you understand? So we are actually finding a way to get on it and run our legitimate business on it very carefully. Do you understand? So you should understand. So normally, if you want to pay for your TikTok ad, you should get into your TikTok ads manager by going to TikTok. Just search TikTok ads. Once you just search it in the you're going to see this TikTok for business. You click on it, you log into your account, and if you have not created an ads account, you could message me on WhatsApp. I will be able to help you create a verified TikTok ads account in Nigeria. Note, it's not for free. This is actually my service. But if you want to create it yourself, there's a video in the description box or on my channel. Just scroll to my channel, subscribe, and you'll see a video on how to run TikTok ads in Nigeria, how to create a TikTok ads account in Nigeria. You'll be able to do it. So the next thing you want to do it, you can be able to see the recent ads of my client here. You're going to see cost 0.04 USD impression, and is actually running an ad which I could just show you right now. This is live in Nigeria. Load right now. You can see it active. So the next thing you want to do is you want to click on tools. Once you click on tools, then you want to hover to payment. Once you click on payment, then you are actually going to get to your payment page. Okay, you're going to get to your payment page. Now on this account, you can see right as of now we have 42.96 USD dollars available cash as of now. Do you understand? Which can be used to run ads, and you're going to be seeing the card that is being linked for my client. Do you understand? Listen, if you want to make payment, do you understand, all you just need to do is, ideally you've created, we have two types of payment method. We have manual payment and we have automatic payment. This manual payment allows you to be able to load cash into your balance like this. Do you understand? Whereby you can now use it to run ads. So all you just need to do is click on add balance. Immediately you click on add balance, you specify the amount you want to add. So the least amount you can add is $10. Let's try to, this is $10. Do you understand? So once you click on $10, and if you try $5, let's just try $5, you will see it's not going to go. Do you understand? You can see it. Let me try $5. You can see it here. Do you understand? At least $10. Okay, you've seen that. So once you input $10, then you're going to see advertise total amount $10. If you click on next, do you understand, then you are actually going to select the payment method by which you are going to be using to make this payment. Do you understand? You'll be taken to this page. Okay, so you might even see the card that you've linked before. Do you understand? Or try to input another one. You're going to see pay with new payment method. So this card that I use for my client, do you understand, I'm using for my client, is, if you have a Pioneer card, do you understand, you could be able to use it to make payments for this TikTok ads. And note, for you to be able to even use it to run this TikTok ad, you should know that when you create your TikTok ads manager, you understand, the address you use is actually going to be different from the one in your Pioneer card. So you have to be very, very careful. Do you understand? Now, yes, my own is to give you hope and encouragement and motivation. So you input your Pioneer card here. Do you understand? You'll be able to make payment. But for those who don't have Pioneer card, do you understand, never try to use all these virtual cards. Those virtual cards, there is a way by which this platform, do you understand, you can see your payment methods are stored securely, and they have a particular kind of software that verify are they reputable, are they all these virtual cards that just have all this network problem, and by which they will have problem in deducting their own payments, and even after running your ads. Do you understand? So they don't want all this kind of thing. So you can even chat me. What I'll just do is that you can chat me using the number on the screen below. Do you understand? You see this number or that in the description box. You message me on WhatsApp or pay with new payment method. You click on credit or debit card, you link everything, and you'll be able to make your payment. Do you understand? Now let's go down. Let me try and scroll down. Do you understand? You input everything. You can see country or region. They were like speculating this. Do you understand? I will show you how to maneuver this. You click on make payment and your payment is going to be actually made. Okay,